Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another Fun Day Sunday watch face review, and today we got a freebie in store for you, but you got to go download ASAP because I don't know how long this one is going to be free. Could be free to the end of the day. Could have been free since Friday, so download as soon as the video is over. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check this watch face out. Now this watch face is by Vienna Studios. Now I've never tried one of his timepieces before. This one here is nice, I'm loving it. But before we get started, we gotta give Jackie a super thank you for the heads up on this freebie. Again, download as soon as you can. All right, now with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Military Green. It's definitely a nice timepiece, but I'm loving the look in the AOD mode. I like the way the index lights up green, the hands light up green as well, very stylish, and you're gonna get your digital time at a glance as well. So with this watch face, you're going to get the best of both worlds, and it definitely looks nice for an analog watch face. Now if you look at the watch face, up at the top you are going to get the name of the developer. You're going to get his icon right here as well. The index is going to light up, and you get two dials. You get one for your step status info, and it's going to give you info on your steps. Battery info to the right. Down at the bottom you will get your digital time. Again, you get the best of both worlds. I'm liking the way that the second hand is going around, but I like the green tip, right? Same thing with the analog hands as well. This is definitely a nice looking watch face, right? But if you double tap right here, you can change the color of the dials. I thought that was pretty cool, right? You can do both of them that way. Color coordinate with whatever it is that you're wearing for the day, or set it to your favorite color. Same thing here. I'm liking what this guy brought to the table. This definitely looks awesome. And if I tap on the 6, I could change the background theme. Listen, my man got down on this one. I gotta check out more of his timepieces because he really did his thing. But if you look around the top, you get shortcuts as well. So if you need to go into your music player, your calendar, your steps and information, you could do all of that at a single tap. I'm telling you, this guy got down on this watch face. Now let's check out watch face number 2. Is also by Vienna Studios. Another awesome looking watch face. Is very similar to the first one. A couple of things changes. Pretty much like the hands in your second hand. It's going to look a little different. It's going to have more of a carbon look to it. Now the name of the watch face is called Business Carbon and Red. It's a nice looking watch face. I like this timepiece as well. And this is what you're going to get. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's going to look super awesome. And when the watch face is on, you got this carbon design in the background. You're going to get all your shortcuts again at the top. You can get into them with a single tap, and you're going to get Vienna Studios at the top. Also, you get these two dials, steps, your battery info, double tap. You can change the color of those dials as well. Then you get your digital time at the bottom, and of course you can change the background theme with this watch face as well. So I'm thinking it's a good look. I like the look. Again, the second hand looks a lot different from number 1, but it's not a deal breaker at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Go download this watch face right now. Again, I don't know how long it's going to be free. I downloaded this today. So listen, enjoy, have a nice Fun Day Sunday, get your relax on because the Monday grind continues. All right, you all, take care. I see you all again at the next video.